In this video, I'll show you how to create this basic custom title block in Fusion. You will learn how to build a layout, add automatic fields, and save everything as a reusable template for your future drawings. Let's get started. So first we go to New Design, go to Drawing, and select Template here, and create New. Here we have standards ASME and ISO. I will select ISO. In units we have inches and millimeters. I will select millimeters. In sheet sizes I will select A3 sheet size, orientation landscape, and press OK. Now we have this A3 sheet, so I will go here, select this title block, right click and select Edit Title Block. Here in Source I will select From Existing. So to edit this title block, go From Existing and press OK. Here I will remove some of these fields that I don't need. So now we have these fields that we need. I will just rearrange these fields. So I will move this here, move this line maybe here, this line also here. I will now extend these two lines, this line and this line. I will cut this and this. I will move this here. Now I will extend this line like this. I will delete this. Actually, I will delete this too. I will copy this line, Control C, and paste it Control V, created by here. Now I will add in these fields, I will add attribute. I will add here drawing scale, move it here. Again, go to attribute, and instead of scale I will select paper size, press OK. So I will just move this there and move this sheet here, size here, scale. I will copy and paste this, so Control C, Control V, and move it here. Just rename it. Instead of sheet I will type scale. I will add here logo, insert image, select this image and open. Now I will place it there, maybe 1.5 here in scale. So we'll edit scale. This seems too big, so I will type 1.4 here and reposition it. 14 seems good. This seems okay. I will delete this. Let's see how it looks. So let's try to have this in one line. Again, I will edit title block, right click and edit. I will move this down, and again see how it looks. It looks okay. And now I will add base view. This is front view here. We can choose here different options, assembly, component, or... So I will select this front view here and press OK. Just move it. Now, projected views. I will add few projected views. Right click and OK. This view I will create as shaded. Close. We can add table and select what data we want to have in table. We have these columns here. So I want to have, let's say, I don't want part number, I want part name, and I don't want material, and close. So we have our title block and our template created. Just to save it, save. I will name it template and press save. So what we can do next, we can have this file opened, and when we have it opened, we can go somewhere here, right click, go to workspace and select drawing, or we can go here, press and go to drawing and go from design. So let's create drawing. I will select template here, and here I will select the template that we just created and press OK. So we have it. These views are created automatically per our templates. Now we can just reposition them. We can add dimensions here. So we have our parts list here with our components. We have these balloons with arrows. So we can add, of course, new balloons here. So let's see this component, this component, this component, and so on. We have quantity, and in our title block we have date, we have scale, we have sheet number here, we have paper size. In the same document, if you want to create another sheet, we just go here and we have all that already created, and we can place views here, dimension, drawing, and so on. So that would be it for this video. If this was interesting and if it was useful, you can like the video, share it, and you can subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.